My ninjas, what's up? It is the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing job lead, another amazing way to earn money online, another amazing inspirational video. Before we jump into things, guys, I want you to go ahead, show some love, show some appreciation for the content. As soon as this thing warms up, just hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on it, and share with everyone you know for more amazing content on how to earn money online. Today's way of earning money online is a work from home job, full-time, online, and you're looking for someone in the North Carolina area. Okay, but don't dismay, there are a bunch of jobs. Let me just show you those real quick. These are actually from a company called, alright, apologies for that. My dogs were getting a bit rowdy, but they have calmed down. Now, as I was saying, these jobs or these ways of earning money are all from home, remotely, via the internet. Okay, and if you're interested, which I hope you are, check the links in the description for interesting and unique ways, special ways that work, that will teach you how to earn money online from the comfort of home. Okay, now guys, this role is, as I was saying, North Carolina, Mooresville, and there are a bunch of other jobs that they have lined up working from home. So let's just take a quick look at a couple of those. Actually, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you see the careers section. You go to careers, you click that, and where it says search keyword, type in remote, which is what I did, enter, search, and boom, military veteran community 2021 fellowship technology, customer experience professional, remote, full-time, senior infrastructure engineer, Cisco voice, senior analyst, online pricing and promo operations, remote, senior director, online business solutions, remote, central quoting, project specialist, exteriors, remote, area tool rental manager, full-time, talent sourcer 1, and I guess there's different positions. So there's tech, that's the tech section, remote, and all of these are work from home, and roughly 6 pages worth of work from home jobs. So go ahead, check those out if this particular one I'm sharing with you isn't up your alley. Alright, this job is going to be paying between $16 and $18 per hour, somewhere there. Okay, so research showed me that it was about $16 to $18 per hour. And let's jump into this lead. They are hiring from all of these states, but let's just work from the top down. Now, customers and communities across the US rely on Lowe's for everything that makes home feel like home. So Lowe's, if you didn't know, is a giant in the industry. They are a hardware home improvement store. So you've probably heard of Ace, or you've heard of the Home Depot. They are a similar company to those two. Now, our central quoting project specialists play a crucial role in how we serve them. And for those project specialists, Lowe's is home to endless career possibilities. As a project specialist exteriors in our central quoting office, you'll assist customers across a variety of channels. Every day, you'll address concerns and provide actionable solutions. To put it simply, you'll be the friendly, knowledgeable voice at the end of the line that makes a customer's exterior projects come to life. So again, they're available to offer remote employment of this position in the following states. So even though it said up here that it was for North Carolina, Mooresville, they're actually opening this up to all of these states. All of these. Okay? Alright. Advantages: Project specialists work from home across the United States and utilize a remote consultation model to engage their customers in their homes. Every day, you'll interact with customers through whichever channel they choose, honing your customer service skills and become an expert at solving complex problems on the fly to meet your customers' needs. Here's more of what you can expect as a central quoting specialist. You'll earn more. In addition to competitive hourly rates, associates also enjoy a 10% discount on Lowe's merchandise and access to thousands of other discounts such as cell phone plans, car insurance, computers, gyms, and more. Expand your skills. Opportunities for growth and development can be found in every role at Lowe's. Central quoting specialists receive extensive training and have the chance to grow their careers with tuition reimbursement and trade skills programs. Take care of what matters. Associates have access to comprehensive physical, mental, financial, and family care benefits. Now, your day as a project specialist: exteriors. Your responsibilities will include being friendly and professional and engaging customers through virtual consultations to deliver home improvement project solutions. You'll ensure merchandise and projects are accurately quoted, sold, and produced. Preparing and maintaining project documents, selling systems, and customer management systems according to policy. Provide easy to understand explanations regarding products, offerings, services, and pricing information. Leverage your problem solving skills while remaining calm under pressure. Resourcefulness and adapting on the go are keys to success in this role. Recognize and act on sales opportunities, including following up to ensure customer needs were met or providing additional information after research. While you're searching for a solution, connect with customers on a personal level. Establish a rapport through empathy, thoughtful engagement, and a positive attitude. Qualifications. To perform this job successfully, an individual must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily. The requirements listed below are a representative of the knowledge. The requirements listed below are representations of the knowledge, skill, and/or ability required. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. So, required education or experience: minimum high school diploma or equivalent, license or certification. And a point to note: only required if the state or local municipality requires a salesperson license for this position. You must either be licensed or pass the requisite licensing exam within 60 days of starting employment in this position. Preferred is 1 year experience in a Lowe's sales specialist role, 2 years residential construction experience, 2 years face-to-face sales, 2 years experience using Lowe's or other similar selling system, 2 years experience in in-home or commission-based sales. Lowe's is an equal opportunity affirmative action employer and administers all personnel practices without regard to race, color, religion, sex, age, national origin, disability, sexual orientation, gender identity or expression, marital status, veteran status, genetics, or any other category protected under applicable law. So that's it for this role. You just hit the apply button, and when you do that, voila, you can go ahead and view all the job details. Okay, hit apply to job again, and you can create a username and password, or enter your email address and password to create a profile, or you could sign in with one of these options via LinkedIn, Facebook, or Twitter. Okay, so that's how you get in. When you fill the application out, they'll be sending you an email that you can trust as a source form of contact from Lowe's and not some spammy type of thing. Okay, look out for where the email address is coming from. it should say Lowe's something something.com or something affiliated with Lowe's, so that you know that it is actually coming from them. So happy hunting, guys. Make money online. It is by far the best way. Mind you, you can be making money online and it's still a 9 to 5. My preferred choice is making money on autopilot. Autopilot. And a perfect example of that could be this thing here. Okay, I posted this on my social media stuff, and I now have a balance of $45. That's, yeah, I barely did anything and made 45 US dollars with ease. With ease. So check it out. I'll leave that as the first link in the description, and if you keep scrolling you will see the link to this particular job role. So check those things out. Check them out. You will be happy you did. Also check the links in the description below. These ways teach you how to build solid businesses from the ground up on the internet in a matter of days. Take the 15-day challenge, which will teach you how to set your business up, how you know which business type you want, whether it be beauty, fashion, or maybe something like a pet business or something like that. Check the links in the description. Take the challenge, and you are going to be well on your way to setting your business up to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for staying to the end. And let me know what your success stories are. Let me know what your stories overall are. And let me know how this channel has helped you in any way, shape, or form. And if it hasn't, still let me know. And I'll see how best I can improve. Even if I improve, the things I share here aren't necessarily for everyone. Some people still have the mindset that working a 9 to 5 is the way to go, and if that's what they want to do, then that's great. My mindset is working a 9 to 5, saving your money and reinvesting it in yourself and in your business so that you can earn money passively. Why? Because you can then go live your life. Do the things you've always wanted to do. Do the things you would do if money was not a problem. If you had all the money in the world, what would you do? Do those things. And you can do those things if you build a business that is making money by itself. You don't need to mess with it, or you don't need to spend too much time on it. Maybe an hour a day, maybe 2, and then you can go ahead and live your life because money is coming in. So guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.